Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a large vesicle growth. You can see this is the uterus, cervix, and unibladder is also seen. The patient is aged about more than 60 years of age. Female patient, of course. Now this is unibladder, this is uterus, and this one is the cervix. The uterus shows the ectopic changes along with some calcified tissue in the uterus. This is the uterus. An ultrasound scan is used to show if the growth is present and how large it is. Ultrasound cannot always find small tumors, so additional tests may be required. Ultrasound scans with the full bladder are mandatory to see all the findings. Now, the patient is aged about 63 years, female patient. Tumors can either be benign or cancerous. Bladder cancer or bladder tumors are relatively common, and most bladder tumors are cancerous. Now, the patient's complaint was pain and blood in the urine as well as from the hematuria was found in the lab test. One of the basic abdominal organs that are assessed during transabdominal ultrasound examination is the urinary bladder. Now, difficulty in micturition was also reported by the patient. The bladder must be filled with urine when doing the ultrasound examination of the urinary bladder. This is a prerequisite for a reliable assessment and at the same time an acoustic window in examining adjacent structures and organs. For instance, the prostate gland in male and female genital tracts can also be seen. Now you can see the urinary bladder showing a large growth along the left lateral wall of the urinary bladder. This is a large mass, round to oval in shape, is semi-solid to solid in consistency and has a rich blood flow in its interior. You will show later on in this video. Now you can see the right lateral wall is intact while the left lateral wall, this is the left lateral wall of the urinary bladder, and the growth is seen along the left lateral wall, but you will later on see the left lateral wall is also intact and not attached with the growth. The growth is not originating from the left lateral wall. The growth is attached to the roof of the urinary bladder, and this mass measures more than 6 centimeter. You can see the blood flow in the growth. Sonography enables the detection of 95% of exophytic lesions within the urinary bladder with the diameter exceeding 5 millimeter. Mostly it is carcinoma of the urinary bladder due to its malignant character and the need for aggressive surgical treatment. A correct diagnosis of this disease is essential for patients as the lack of adequate treatment and delayed treatment considerably affects the prognosis of this vesicle growth. High-grade bladder cancer is likely to grow and spread quickly and become life-threatening. Now again you will see the growth is not attached to the base of the urinary bladder, nor it is attached to the left lateral wall. The right lateral wall of the urinary bladder is away from the mass. The mass is attached to the roof of the urinary bladder. High-grade cancers can often need to be treated with chemotherapy, radiation, and surgery. Low-grade cancers appear non-aggressive and have a low chance of becoming high-grade. Now, most bladder cancers are diagnosed at an early stage when the cancer is highly treatable. But even early stage bladder cancers can come back after successful treatment. For this reason, the people with bladder cancer typically need follow-up tests for years after the treatment to look for bladder cancer and that reoccurs. Now the mass is attached to the roof of the urine-filled urinary bladder. And the size of mass is more than 6 centimeter and vertically and transversely. Bladder ultrasound can show how much urine the bladder holds when it's full and whether someone completely empties the bladder when urinating. Bladder ultrasound is often done along with an ultrasound of the kidneys. Bladder cancer develops when cells in the bladder begins to grow abnormally rather than grow and divide in an orderly way. These cells develop mutations that cause them to grow out of control and not die. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.